Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormash.com. In this session, we will be discussing on an introduction to AutoCAD 2017 and its top features. Autodesk, the company known for its rapid expansion and innovation in the field of computer-aided designing, provides their first and the basic software, AutoCAD. It is one among the basic designing and 3D modeling software. It is well known for its easy design and drafting tools and user-friendly architecture. It can design anything and everything, which makes AutoCAD as the most user-friendly software. It also has a feature of advanced data sharing and publishing, together providing a basic platform for various softwares. AutoCAD, the mother of all softwares. The streamline of softwares are really interesting. AutoCAD provides a basic foundation for an individual and is a stepping stone in the world of digital design and prototyping. As per the interest and category, there are numerous types of softwares available from the world of Autodesk. Each software is meant and designed for a specific task and utility. For example, after getting a foundation idea on AutoCAD, if anyone wants to grab a knowledge more in civil side or construction side, he or she can go and opt for other softwares in a streamline aligned in the civil field, such as Revit, InfraWorks, Navisworks, and many more. So there are a lot of softwares in each stream under Autodesk. So this gives a basic idea that AutoCAD is a stepping stone and a foundational aspect for all the stream softwares, and it acts as a link or the basic platform for all the softwares. Top features in Autodesk AutoCAD 2017. There are a lot of features available in Autodesk AutoCAD 2017, but the few of them which are more prominent and important are smoother graphics and 3D environment, centerline and center mark, import PDF file to drawing, sharing drawings through design view, direct 3D printing, smoother graphics and 3D environment. AutoCAD 2017 provides a smoother graphics and interface to work on 3D complex designs and modeling. It provides a background 3D realistic image which gives an effect of working in that environment. Center line and center mark. Center line and center mark are two new features which are added to AutoCAD 2017. Center line allows you to find the center line between two adjacent lines. Similarly, center mark allows you to find the center point of a circle. These features are very useful while designing complex designs. We will be discussing about center line and center mark in the upcoming videos. Import PDF file to the drawing. AutoCAD 2017 has a provision to import PDF file to the drawing so that we can take the lines and circles as it is. It takes a couple of minutes to load the PDF to your drawing sheet. As we can see, the PDF is loaded as lines and circles into your drawing. This feature was not available till 2016 version. AutoCAD 2017 has provided this feature to access PDF file to drawing files. This will make the work more easier and more productive. Sharing drawings through design view. AutoCAD 2017 provides you to share your drawings through the option called Design View. This option helps you to publish and display your drawings in browser. Your drawing will be uploaded to the A360 viewer and a link will be sent to your corresponding email ID. The concerned people can view and analyze the drawing and also can comment on the drawing according to their needs. The best advantage in this feature is that he or she doesn't require any AutoCAD software to open this file. The corresponding people can view, measure and comment on the drawing. This enhances a better way of data sharing among people around the world. Direct 3D printing. AutoCAD 2017 provides you an option to print your object to 3D. You can also utilize the option of 3D print which is available from Print Studio. 3D print service in AutoCAD 2017 provides a link with various 3D printers around the world. So that's the end of this session. Hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback, and for more videos log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.